Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when media feature pack is missing in N version of Windows 10 after updating Windows 10 to version 2004. So if you have updated your Windows 10 to version 2004 and after that the media feature pack is missing, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So to fix this, go to the start menu, then click on the settings icon. So click on settings and then click on apps, then click on optional feature over here, click on it and then click on add a feature, and in the search box over here on the top, go ahead and type in media feature pack. So go ahead and type in media feature pack in this search and then you will see media feature pack in the list. Put a check in this box and then click on install, and once the installation is done, restart your computer and that should go ahead and fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.